Did you know that Americans catch about 1 billion colds each year? According to the CDC, adults catch 2 to 3 colds annually, while children can get as many as 6 to 8. And let's not forget the flu, which hospitalizes over 200,000 people in the U.S. each year. With these staggering numbers, many of us are searching for safe and natural ways to fight off these common ailments. So today, I'm sharing proven natural home remedies to help ease cold, flu, and cough symptoms, backed by science. Let's get started. Number 1. Honey and lemon. Honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's packed with healing properties. Studies show that honey can reduce coughing, especially at night. In fact, a study published in the Archives of Pediatrics and Adolescent Medicine found that honey was more effective than common cough medicines like dextromethorphan in reducing the frequency and severity of nighttime coughing. Lemon, on the other hand, is loaded with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and fight off infections. So, mixing a tablespoon of honey with freshly squeezed lemon juice in warm water is a perfect way to soothe a sore throat and relieve cough symptoms. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat colds and flu, and modern science agrees. A study from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that ginger has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective at reducing throat inflammation and even combating respiratory viruses. Number 3. Steam inhalation. Congestion is one of the worst parts of having a cold or flu. A simple steam inhalation can help break down mucus and open up your airways. A study published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews found that steam inhalation helped reduce cold symptoms in 90% of participants. For extra relief, add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to the water. These oils have decongestant properties that can make breathing easier. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic isn't just great for flavoring your food, it's a natural powerhouse against infections. According to research from the Journal of Nutrition, garlic contains allicin, a compound that boosts the immune system and helps fight off viruses. One study found that people who consumed garlic regularly were 63% less likely to catch a cold. Number 5. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the compound curcumin. A study from the Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin can help reduce the severity of colds and flu by lowering inflammation in the body. To make golden milk, simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric into warm milk, and don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb the curcumin better. Number 6. Saltwater gargle. Saltwater is an age-old remedy that still works wonders. Gargling with saltwater reduces throat swelling and flushes out bacteria. According to a study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine, people who gargled with salt water 3 times daily had a 40% lower chance of developing upper respiratory tract infections. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle for 30 seconds, 2 or 3 times a day for relief. Number 7. Elderberry syrup. Elderberry has gained popularity for good reason. It's a natural antiviral. A study in the Journal of International Medical Research found that elderberry syrup could reduce the duration of flu symptoms by 4 days. Number 8. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea contains menthol, a natural decongestant. Research published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research found that menthol can significantly relieve nasal congestion and cough. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties and can help balance the body's pH levels. A study from the Journal of Food Science found that apple cider vinegar can help reduce the duration of colds by inhibiting bacterial growth. So there you have it. These natural remedies can help you feel better faster during cold and flu season. Always remember, though, that while these remedies can provide relief, they're not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. If your symptoms worsen or persist, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Stay healthy, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more natural health tips.